Lately, a number of bank executives have been admitting quietly that there's been real pressure from government regulators during the Obama and Biden years. The claim? Conservative businesses and individuals were being debanked. That means their accounts were closed, credit lines cut off, and basically told, "We don't want your business." Even members of the Trump family, like Eric and Donald Trump Jr., said they were forced into crypto because, in their words, every bank shut the door on them. Hotels, accounts, payroll, gone overnight. And they say it wasn't just them. Conservatives across the country were hit the same way. So what's really happening? Well, banks normally have the right to drop customers if they're a bad credit risk. That's fair. But here's the twist. Federal regulators started using this vague phrase, reputational risk. Basically, if a client could make the bank look bad, regulators would pressure the bank to cut ties. Sound harmless, right? But here's the catch. Reputational risk could mean whatever the regulators wanted it to mean. Firearms businesses, payday lenders, conservative Christian groups, suddenly they're labeled too risky. And banks, not wanting to fight their regulators, went along with it. Executives now admit the rules were so ambiguous, they had no choice. Regulators weren't just suggesting. They were effectively ordering banks to shut down certain clients. If a bank pushed back, the government could make their lives miserable with endless audits and penalties. Former President Trump actually tried to stop this during his time in office with an executive order, telling the Treasury to investigate cases of debanking. But according to insiders, the pressure never fully disappeared. Now, with new reports surfacing, it's becoming clear this wasn't just about bad loans. It was about politics. Banks wanted to stay in good standing with regulators, and conservatives, along with industries like crypto and firearms, pay the price. And here's the big picture. While conservatives argue this is government overreach, critics say it shows how fragile financial freedom can be when politics and banking collide. We'll see where the investigations go from here, but one thing's for sure. The debate over debanking is heating up, and it's far from over.